Okay, I am happy to see you today, and this is just a little video to help you know how Survey Junkie works. It's really, really cool website. And as you see, it's new to me. I'm at 786 points. And it says it doesn't say they're redeemable yet. I think that goes green when on the screen when I can redeem it. So I believe it's when it's 10,000 points it's redeemable. So all you do, you come in here and you click on take a survey. This is Survey Junkie, and a survey will come up. You wait for a minute, and there is the survey, and you fill it in. And that's all you do. And when you finish the survey, you go back, and that's that. And it gets added to your account. Let's see, anything else to show you here? See, there's lots of surveys on here. They will email you. They do email you quite a bit. You can unsubscribe from the emails if you want to. And there's a part you can get higher paying surveys too. So I'll log in with Google to do that. Don't know if this is going to catch that. Okay. Don't know what happened there. But anyway, apparently there's a way to get higher paying surveys. Help section here. Can anyone become a member of Survey Junkie? You have to be 13 years or older and live and reside in the United States, except California, Canada, or Australia. And it says something else here. Members who reside in California, United States must be 16 or older. So if you live in Canada, United States, or Australia, you can join Survey Junkie. But you have to be at least 13, except in California, you have to be 16. How much money will I make for taking surveys? You will not get rich by taking surveys, that's for sure. But it's interesting to do, and it's something that will give you a little extra cash each month. You'll have the opportunity. What do you do if you forget your password? How do I earn points? Here we are. You must successfully complete surveys, profile questionnaires, or take rewardable actions to earn points. You'll know when an action is rewardable if it has designated points displayed with a green button. So here we have surveys, points, redemption. I'm going to click on the redemption there, and I will see how can I redeem my points. You have to have a minimum of 500 points to redeem. So I guess I can redeem my points. How do I redeem my points? You have to click on the My Points, and you have a choice here. Depending on your country, you can get cash via PayPal. I think I'll do that. Or you can get e-cards. That's only in the USA. Or direct bank transfers. That's if you're in the USA. So you can get paid for taking surveys. I think I'll do that. Send that to my PayPal today. And can I redeem only a portion of my points? If you're redeeming by PayPal, you have to take all your points. It means if you have enough points to redeem for $27, you must redeem the entire $27. Okay. Keep in mind you must have at least $10 to redeem the remainder. Okay. So there's more questions here about e-cards. Do you have to pay taxes on your earnings? If you are in the USA, they say if you get over $600 in the same year, you're going to get a document. Okay. It doesn't say about other countries here. So anyway, it's a very interesting thing to do. And I recommend this to you. So it's free to join. and there's my points. How you earn points. There's your lifetime points versus your current points. And so anyway, I hope you have a fabulous day. Remember to pray because things do change that way. And I think I'm going to head over to PayPal and get my free money for doing surveys. Have a great day. And that is Survey Junkie. Put the link there. I would appreciate if you use my link and come on back and let me know that you used my link. And if I know you used my link, I will give a shout out little review to you on the YouTube. So have a great day. Remember to pray because things do change that way.